It's time for a Khala Naturals product tutorial. Today I'm featuring the Earth Tones Clay Face Masks. These all-natural masks come in 4 varieties: French Pink, French Green, Botanical, and the one I will be demonstrating today, Brazilian Black Clay. It's easy to prepare a mask. Add a tablespoon of clay mixture to a small bowl. Then add a little water at a time and keep mixing until you get a nice even paste that spreads evenly. You can use a small whisk or a brush as you see me doing here. Then when you're ready, paint your face, neck, and chest with the clay mask. You can also use your fingers if you don't have a brush. Take your time. There's no rush. This actually took me about 3 minutes to get everything painted on the way that I wanted. When you're satisfied with the coverage, find something to do for the next 20 minutes while it dries. Here I'm dancing to the music that's in my head. Anyway, once your mask is almost dry, wet a face cloth with warm water and then start to remove it. You could also do this in the shower if you prefer. It might be a little easier. And then that's it. You're done. That's how easy it was. For more information about my all-natural and handmade skincare products, please visit khalanaturals.com. Proudly Canadian.